welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. The holidays are over and it's now time to just relax and unwind. It's still pretty cold here in Canada, so I'm going to be making a lovely bowl of comforting beef and barley stew. This recipe is delicious. Besides beef and barley, it has a whole bunch of other ingredients, including kale, to make it really nice and nutritious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. I'm going to start with a cheap and delicious beef blade steak. This is about 8 ounces and I'm going to cut this into chunks. I'm also going to make a paste blend that is going to set the flavor tone for this stew. In my mortar and pestle, I'm going to start with roughly a cup of coriander roots. I'm going to add a generous tablespoon of peppercorns and 1 cup of garlic. I just cut the garlic cloves in half. Pound this till you get a rough paste. In a heavy bottom pot, I'm going to add some oil and I'm going to allow it to heat, and I'm going to add this aromatic blend. Add the beef. Add a bit more oil if required. I'm going to saute the beef well, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. This is going to give the stew a really nice color, as well as it's going to salt the meat. Add in a cup of sliced spring onion. Next, I'm going to add in 1 liter of beef stock. I'm just using low sodium store-bought stock, but you can also use a homemade beef or even a veggie stock if you have it. Put a lid on this, lower the heat, and allow the beef to cook for about 15 minutes. Because I'm using a low sodium stock, I'm going to add another tablespoon of soya. But also remember that this stock does have to reduce down, so don't add too much. I'm going to cover this again and just tidy up as the beef gets nice and tender. I'm now going to add 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. Beef and mushrooms are truly a match made in heaven. Cover this and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. As you can see, the liquid has reduced down considerably and the beef and mushrooms have absorbed all of that flavor and it's nice and tender. Remove this and keep it aside. Add 1 cup of water to the thickened stock and allow it to come to the boil. I have 1 cup of cubed potatoes here and I'm going to cook this in the stock for about 3 to 5 minutes. While this cooks, I'm just going to shred the beef. It's so tender, it comes right apart. Try one of the pieces to make sure it's cooked and add all of the beef and mushroom back in. Add 1 cup of water. I have some cooked barley here and I'm just going to add half a cup. Mix this in and bring it to the boil. Finally, I'm going to add a cup of baby kale and about 3 tablespoons of sliced spring onion leaves. This makes a delicious and hearty, comforting stew. Thank you so much for joining me in Kravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this super easy recipe for beef and barley stew. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Kravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Kravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.